An investment portfolio is just a collection of financial assets you own. Let's look at how they work and why they matter. At its simplest level, a portfolio is the basket where you keep your stocks, bonds, and cash equivalents. Think of your portfolio as your total financial footprint. It includes every dollar you have put to work in the market. Most portfolios are built using a mix of these 4 building blocks to balance potential growth and safety. Diversification is the practice of not putting all your eggs in one basket, which is a core goal for most long-term investors. This 60-30-10 split is a classic example of a balanced portfolio, commonly used as a starting point for many investors. Always remember that your portfolio is personal. It should be designed to meet your specific goals and your comfort with risk. Building a portfolio is a marathon, not a sprint. Check back for more basics on how to grow your financial knowledge.